Here I am. This is my laptop. You can see this is my laptop. Okay. Here I am. I will show my house now. December 7th. 8:32 p.m. Here I am. Okay, this is my house. Here I am. No bastard will come here. Okay, no bastard is here. No bastard is here. I am here. Here I am. Okay, not anywhere else. I'm a divorcee and some criminals want my property. And my father, this is my father, V. Sahadevan, and my father's brothers and sisters used to harass my father like anything. And my father was put in this house without, he can't even go outside. Just from here, actually from the front side. This was the front actually before, and now we changed this portion to that actually due to these criminals activities actually, that type of criminals these are. And now these criminals are after me, including that Preeta S. Panikkar. My father had all the opposition from his family only, like that. Even I am having opposition from that Preeta S. Panikkar. She is my bitter enemy. She is the first number enemy of me. Here I am. Okay. This is my laptop. Here I am.